From New Lake, page 29, we're going to continue the question and look at the excellence part. Have a look at the previous tutorial if you haven't done A and B. We're going to use what we found in part A and B for this question. We found that the maximum profit was at point C, or the maximum income was at point C. If they increase the price of their high strength concrete, they want to sell more of it. So you want this axis, this one, to increase. So the maximum will be between this one here and this one here, between points B and C. I like to look at the gradients of the line. What is the gradient of the line from B to C? By making it an x and a y equation and then changing side, changing sign, we can see the following. And rearranging, we get y equals negative 1/3 x. We're looking at the gradient negative 1/3. We want the income equation to have the same gradient. We don't know what the price is, so I'm just going to use the word price times the y, because the high strength is the y and the standard is the x. Rearrange that. So rearranging for the price, we're looking at this bit. We're only interested in the gradient, the bit by the x. So what is by the x? Forgetting about the income part and forgetting about the x, we're left with the gradient. We want the gradient to equal negative 1/3. So we find that the price, by multiplying, etc., we get y equals negative 625 plus an extra 50, negative 675, actually positive 675. You wouldn't charge a negative amount for concrete. So any point along this line here where we've got 625 for the price of the hard concrete and the price for the standard concrete being the same at what was it, 225 or something, then you will have maximum profit. Multiple solutions, so give a couple. In fact, we're going to test each vertex, each vertice. At B, using the profit equation, you get 40,500. At C, putting values for S and H into the equation, you also get 40,500. At D, you get 15,025 when you use the wrong price for the standard, but when you use the correct price of 225 instead of 70, you get 25,875, and for point E, you get 18,000. Now obviously they increase the strength of the hard concrete, so they want to sell, they increase the price, so they want to sell more. This was their optimum price for the hard strength concrete. Now they want to sell more of it because they're charging more, getting more income. So any combination along that line from B to C should give you maximum income. The point 3050 lies along that line from B to C, and putting 30 and 50 into the profit equation also gives a profit of 40,500. So that's how you do the excellence type part for that question. Good luck and all the best.